Bia Kamal ka Nuer Online TV bia video me bia je gwich ka bia me download kana bia gwich gwasme uda guyen me gwasme me ba video da ba jangar ne ka bia jawda bia jeling jen ramkel me kwar ka tuman peace initiative jen spokesperson ke Ramadan and right la leria lat ka ki opposition united people alliance ke UPA ngai kona UPA pa yo chagwasan lat kamal tere which ka Kenya la mal lat ke man peace initiative antama chetaka me gwaj me cheto ko shikar den ling re dul ko manana tekaten ka jen dol dan ngui ke kuma Sudan ke liwondo bi mal ba ben ka kwide ka jen dan ngui ke bo kungwen monano be mal ba ben antama cheto ko shinetin kontin la United People Alliance te shipagan mun kwanya la Korean ala bon la Old group ke bonten kontin cha kapchong ke te shiga ke kuma sa Sudan te kan mat rei ngona te konte chalat ke madame chalare wicha ka Khartoum ke kuma na Sudan ka gwasedan enta mi chika la no en man chala de kuma sa Sudan Kiir mayardit en go ede korean mat re malka me chala ne koron kin dang re wol badak akene na mo chie chong akani male chata koron kin dang wol badak tala male benong ka chamal che benong chagni dak ma chaten mi che jel ga jamore wich ka so Sudan o chaje yen kwar ne Kiir mayardit ke kuje mo chine ro matin der ko luno mo woner matin man kwar ko baga chu yen lo chinan che jel terambo jal terambo wede dien terambo jal changan weche buten chirki ma dakre ma chaten chejel outside of Juba changna re ke Juba Kroada chikan we en kuma dung so Sudan la Kiir mayardit te dia le sha gor la protocol dang badak te sha gor pinyen go de los ajeni char diala ti chaga ban pin ken chigde reten no shulal daw Ramadan en la spokesperson ko kuumɛ ke bon dang wanten kontin lat ka kamne kuumɛ South Sudan jeni en R-ARCSS jeni is a dead agreement and will not be implemented due to lack of political will jeni male dan cha tan garon kin dang rol badak cha je be man lat let ka che be man pass ko jen tel mugo am lat ka tin ko ne de kontin lat ka raja mo wala Kiir mayardit kana da rema cha ten jeni tel mugo am let kana me de mal de jen ko kuji mun chine ro da martin jokan kuma kwa video mo kwa jeling go ka jodan lade ni wanatan
People Alliance UPA. I would like to inform our people, region, and the international community that the RT-GONO has reneged from the agreed 8 protocols, which were the result of the sustained negotiation and compromise by the parties and stakeholders. The RT-GONO delegation came with the hardline position to delete all the 8 agreed protocols and for the opposition to be incorporated into the RT-GONO to implement the R-ARCSS, which the signatories failed to implement. The RT-GONO has let down and disappointed to deliver expected peace and reconciliation to the people of South Sudan. The R-ARCSS was not meant to be implemented, as President Kiir repeatedly stated. The R-ARCSS is a dead agreement. It will never be implemented because of lack of political will, as First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar frequently point out. The United People Alliance, UPA, call on the people of South Sudan to support and rally behind Tumaini consensus to be signed as agreed to rescue our country from collapse and total disintegration. Tumaini initiative will usher South Sudan into sustainable peace and good governance. Everything we have presented today, it is irrelevant to rescue our country. It is about South Sudan. We talk about mismanagement of oil, the advantage that Sudan government. When we went to Khartoum in 2018, what Khartoum government has done, instead of trying to solve the conflict in South Sudan, they decided by making sure that they benefit from us. They took advantage of our situation by making sure that, one, they have a fake claim that we need to pay them damages for Pantau. First of all, Pantau is not even part of Sudan. It is part of South Sudan. And second, it was also very important for the government of Sudan to know that we went to Khartoum for peace. So they took advantage. And as a result, billions of our money were taken by Sudan, the Islamic regime in Sudan. This is relevant. That's why we hold out from the 2018 agreement. And that was the history as of how we hold out from the 2018 agreement. Then we transitioned into Rome Initiative, and from there we narrated how the Nairobi and Tumaini consensus has been going ever since. So everything that was presented today, it has to do with the interests of people of South Sudan. We were looking for the interests of our people first. We are looking for agreement that will finally address all the root cause of the conflict. We are not here as UPA looking for position. We are here to protect the right of our people. And everything that we presented today were facts and accurate. If anybody from the government disputed them, let them present to the plenary, and we will provide all the evidence. This country must be changed to rescue our people. We are in negotiation with the government of South Sudan to reach an agreement. But if the future of leaders, Dr. Riek Machar, has signed an agreement with the government of South Sudan, then he is the first vice president of South Sudan. Now, since he went to Juba, he has not been allowed to leave the country. Is this his right as a person? Freedom of movement has been restricted. Dr. Riek is a citizen, deserves to go anywhere and come back whenever he wants. And we were asking the government delegation, is this the peace that you want to sign with us so that when our leader goes to Juba are not allowed to travel? No, this is what they need to explain this to us. We need to make sure that when you sign an agreement with the government, does not mean an arrest. You are going home to implement the agreement. You are going home to help in transforming the country, but you are not being arrested. Dr. Riek has been arrested and detained. And from here, I call and appeal to His Excellency President Kiir to allow President Riek to travel and go anywhere, even for treatment. Imagine there is no hospitals in South Sudan. And Dr. Riek is an elder who deserves also to go for treatment anywhere he can go. And now he cannot be allowed. If the government doesn't believe that Dr. Riek is detained, let them allow him to travel tomorrow or next week. Let him visit us here at Tumaini Initiative. He's a prominent leader of this country. His Excellency President Kiir came and visited us many times. We respect the same thing. Dr. Riek will come, and all the vice presidents should be allowed to visit us. This is also relevant. And if Dr. Martin doesn't believe this is true, let him speak to his government and allow Dr. Riek to travel wherever he wants to go. We are not here to appease the government. We are here to seek for a lasting peace in our country. And we have to raise every issue because we want Tumaini Initiative to be the last agreement. People are tired of us. We went to Addis, we went to Khartoum, we went to Kampala, we are here in Nairobi. Where else do we go? And because we always go and sign an agreement that is focused on positions, like R-ARCSS, for example. We want an agreement that will address the root cause conflicts.
Peace Initiative. Lualdao Jaramdan and la spokesperson ka UPA shikmishalinga video kelio la de jagwan wodena la kum South Sudan a gentleman la de chagore mal ko magor kan obugane matkam chikan lat la suggestion dan inshallah da kum dum South Sudan a kene gone no en tuman peace initiative me ba jamat kamale dan e chata ngoron kin dang ro wel badak en tama ji group ke bon dang wan te children mat kwala shole e UPA United People Alliance kanisha dem and talk men dong chinero da dem martin ko en agreement e dan a dead agreement and will not be implemented due to lack of political will charaj mo che kwenen no ka kuje mo ajan shali ngoni ala malat ka Kenya pin kwarne ulim ruto ngode teke diu shigmin shalingo ajanda na chitugo no mo kuj kon kuj dan botin ene ban nyaw jegum radien biata kamal bye bye